We are on the Black Lake in Montenegro. So very beautiful. 1,500 meters up high. 18th April 2011. It's hard to hitchhike in Montenegro, but we are lucky. We got here. We hitchhiked by hitchhiking. Now we try to get out of here because it will be minus something by night.